So what are we making, Aris?
Cake.
We're gonna make a yogurt cake today, which...
No, a chocolate chip cake.
We're gonna make a chocolate chip cake that is actually a yogurt cake, but we're gonna add some chocolate chips to it because Aris is in the mood for chocolate. This cake is super fun because you use the yogurt tub to measure all your ingredients, which is kind of fun. And it's an easy cake for kids to learn how to make. Aris just cracked 2 eggs into the bowl and he's beating those furiously, right? Yeah. So we have, this is a Greek yogurt, but you can use any yogurt that you want. Yeah, if you want to try a little bit. Well, why don't you just stick your finger in there? Just a little bit. There you go. This is a vanilla yogurt. Is it good? So let's get that in there. Stir, stir, stir. Now I've got to wash this so we can use this as our measuring cup. So I'm gonna wash and dry this while Aris continues to stir the eggs and the yogurt together. Okay, I've washed and dried the yogurt tub, so we're gonna use this to measure everything. It's gonna be our measuring cup. Now we need half a yogurt tub of oil. And keep mixing, there you go.
Lipstick is gonna be magic.
And we also need sugar. Nice work. All right.
Mix, mix, and mix.
Now let's add the flour.
And a bit of flour.
Okay. Yep. No. Oh, no. Here in the cup.
And more? I'll do it to the top.
All the way to the top.
Mix. This.
A little bit more flour.
Here.
Yep. Good job. Yeah. And we also need our baking powder. So you keep stirring and I'll add the baking powder.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa.
Mix.
There we go. Yep. Keep mixing. And Aris wanted chocolate chips, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna improvise a little bit and add some chocolate chips to this cake. So Aris is going with his chocolate chips. So I think that looks amazing. Let's show everybody. There we go. So I think that we can stop stirring now and we can put the cake batter into the cake pan, okay? So we're just gonna smooth out the cake a little bit here. All right, so here we go. That looks like it's gonna be a good cake. We're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, the cake is all set to take out of the oven. It was in there for just under half an hour, so it's super quick to bake. And there we go. Looks delicious. All right, we're ready for the big reveal. Cake is out of the oven. It's cooled down. Those chocolate chips were a nice addition. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut a slice because I think everybody would like a piece of cake right now. So Aris is up from his nap. He's enjoying his cake. The great thing about this cake is it's so easy to make. You use the yogurt tub to measure everything out. Great for kids. Hope you enjoy it and let us know what you think with a photo and a review. Bye. Say bye.